Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this additional. Not in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 22nd, 2024. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. No additional. It's the edition of the Saturday edition. Saturday, Sunday, January the 20th or the 21st, 2024. And in this additional we have 3 puzzles left. 2 of those I've already solved, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. So there's 1 puzzle left here. Yeah, should be the jigsaw Sudoku number 7852. Yeah, 7852. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 70 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 17, and it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? A box is because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Then, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes then? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? Well, we have a quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, the inside box, it's always a 5. Okay. More L shapes? No. More quadra boxes? No. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. This is already filled in here. So this should be a 1, okay. More T shapes? No. Then the following shapes. How about this shape? The S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Okay, let me draw this here. When you see this S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only 1 S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Yeah. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, then the following shape. How about? Let me draw this shape. Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, this one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And here another one. upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Wow, there's a lot of shapes here. Alright, let me draw this here. Yeah. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape, the L shape? It's rotated, the L shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All those shapes, yeah, maximum 6. Maximum 6. We have all those shapes in this puzzle. Maximum 6. That you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. Well. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra L shape. Should be here. Then these are 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 in this S construction should be there. Oh, yeah, should be there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, this box can be 5. So the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be in the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from 3 and 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box, so 3 and a 4. So 2 numbers left. Need a 2 here in this area. Well, we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and a 4 in this quadra L shape. A lot of 3 and a 4s. Here also connect with that box. 3 and a 4. Need a 2 here. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 there, double 3 there, double 4 there. And 1 digit left should be the 5 then. Alright. So this 5 cannot be a 5 anymore. Then. Well. Let me think. 2 and the 3. 3 and the 4. I'm thinking. This box can be 5. Well, I need a 3 here. This can be a 3. This should be a 3. This box, complicated. This box can be a 3. So the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. We need a 3 here. Cannot be a 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box can be 3. So the 3 in this W area shape could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. So 1 box left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Alright. I marked this box with 3 or 4. We have a 3 there, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, okay. Here, 1 box left in this quadra L shape for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Now, this box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. So we need to trigger those with a 2 here. Okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And that means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. Yeah. This can be 2. 2 should be here then. Okay. Complicated. Need a 1 here. No. Can it be a 1? Could be a 1. Could be a 1 here. Ay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. Oh, 4 and a 2. We already have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Overlooked. This box should be a 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then. Well, 1 and a 2. 3, 4. This should be also 1 or a 2 here. I'm thinking. Overlooked. This box can be a 3. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Overlooked. Okay. So need a 1 here. Yeah, I need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. 2 should be one of those 2 boxes. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Alright, and now we have a 2 here and a 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2. This box could be 1 or 5. Yeah, this one is the difficult part, and yeah, 1, 3, 5, 2 or 4 here. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 then. Because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Well, mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. That means this box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 1. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Having troubles with this one. Yeah. Well, should be a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not a 1 star. Yeah, otherwise I will be faster than 15 minutes. But yeah, this one has also 6. All those shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Yes, totally of 6. We have a complete set. I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.